Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download Canva websites step by step. So if you want to save your Canva website for offline use, backup purposes, or share parts of the design as files, yeah, this guide will explain the easiest ways to do it. First, open Canva in your browser and go to the website project you want to download. Make sure all your edits are finished before exporting anything. One important thing to know is Canva websites usually work as live online pages, not traditional downloadable website files. So Canva mainly lets you publish websites directly online. Now click the Share button or the Download option in the top right corner. This is where Canva export settings appear. If you need the original videos, images, or graphics from the website, download those elements separately from the Canva project. One smart idea is keeping a backup copy of your Canva design inside your account or exporting it as a PDF for safety. This helps protect your work later. After downloading, always open the files and check whether everything exported correctly before sharing them with others. And that's basically how to download Canva websites from start to finish. Depending on your needs, you can export the design as PDFs, images, or simply use the live website link online.